Good morning, children. Today one more important problem. This is the last problem in the first chapter, real number chapter. We may expect this question for the annual exam. Look at here. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p, 3p plus 1. Look at here now. How can we solve? What he says here? Division algorithm. What is division algorithm here? A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is less than B. This is a division algorithm. What he says here? If a number is divided by B here, so we can get Q here and the remainder will be R. So BQ plus R form. A is equal to BQ plus R form, where R less than B and R may be equal to 0. Look at here. What he says here? 3p plus 1. And here in the place of B, here 3 is set. So we will write A is equal to 3Q plus R. According to the rule, R value, remainder value is always less than to the divisor. Remainder value is always less than to the divisor. So that's why R may be 0, R may be 1, R may be 2. Why? Because B value is 3 here. So R value will be either 0, R1, R2. Remainder value is always less than to the divisor value. That is the thing. But take this as equation number 1. Now, this will be in 3 cases. Case 1, case 2 and case 3. First, case 1. Let R is equal to 0. Then what we can get here? A is equal to 3Q plus 0 is nothing but 3Q. We want square of any positive integer, means squaring on both sides. Then what we can get here? A square is equal to 3Q whole square. Now this implies A square is equal to B square is 9 Q square. We want either 3p or 3p plus 1 form. I am writing this as 3 into, can I say now? 3 3 is 9 Q square. If you consider this is P, then is 3p form. 3p form. Now, case. What is case 2 here? Let R is equal to 1. 1 implies, what 1 says here? A is equal to 3Q plus 1. Again squaring on both sides. A square is equal to 3Q plus 1 whole square. This implies A square is equal to A plus B whole square from this one. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now this is equal to 9Q square plus 6Q plus 1. From these two, I am taking 3 common. What it will become? 3Q square plus here it will become 2 plus 1. Again take this as P. Now what is this form here? 3P plus 1 form. In the first case, that is 3p form, and this is 3p plus 1 form. Now we will take case 3. Students, case 3. In the case 3, we will take let R is equal to 2. The last case. Now again one implies A is equal to 3Q plus 2. According to the rule, squaring on both sides is A square is equal to 3Q plus 2 whole square. Now A square is equal to, again A plus B whole square form. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now A square is equal to 3 square is 9 here, Q square, 9Q square plus 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12Q plus 2 square is 4. more than 3 is there. So we will write first 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Now I am taking 3, these 3 things, if you take 3 common, 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. Now I am taking this as p. Now this is 3p plus 1 form. From case 1, case 2 and case 3, way that is either in 3p form or in 3p plus 1 form. So square of any positive integer you take, that will be in 3p comma 3p plus 1 form. Students, in the examination point of view, we can use one more method, but some of the faculty are not giving the proper marks to them. But anyway, for all the students, I am explaining one more method. If suppose the first one you feel difficult in the exams, annual exams, you may use this. Sometimes you may get out of 4, maybe 3 or 4 marks. It is very easy. Once you take it. Square of any positive. First, positive integers. Positive integers in the sense here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. What he says here? Square of positive integers. So, square of positive integers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, so on. 1 square is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, so on. What he says here, square of any positive integer, if you take 1, we can write 1 as 3 into 0 plus 1. 3 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. That means what? 3p plus 1 form. In the next one, if you take 4, we can write 4 as 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. Again, 3p plus 1 form. If you take 9, 3 into 3 plus 0. That means what? This is 3 into 3 1. So 3p form. If you take 1 more, 16. 3 5 is 15 plus 1. 3p plus 1 form again. If you take 25. 3 8 is 24 plus 1. 3p plus 1 form. 36. 3 1 is 3 2 plus 0. This 3p form. If you take more examples also, we can get either 3p form or 3p plus 1 form. So by using this method also we can solve, but some of the faculty are not giving the marks according to the situation, we will take. Thank you very much.